Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be doing this art today. I'm gonna use gel nail. I believe this is a perfect set for Valentine's Day. I really love this thumbnail design. I stamped some hearts on it. You can see some depth in it, right? Apply base coat to your natural nails. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with a thumbnail. I'm gonna use Bon Pretty Gold Cap Magnetic Gel number 4. I'm just gonna apply it to the whole nail. Once you paint it, use a magnet wand to let the particles sink. I can't let all the particles sink, but it's okay. There are some visible particles. They're beautiful. This stamping plate is from a 100 yen store in Japan. I use an old prepaid card as a scraper. This is an opaque regular polish from a 100 yen store. Another plate from a 100 yen store. I'm gonna stamp a little smaller heart. Of course, you don't have to stamp all the hearts. You can use nail art stickers or you can hand draw them, but I just love stamping. The Bon Pretty gel again. I'm applying to the whole nail. I'm trying to push the particles to the upper left. I'm gonna stamp more. A plate from Temu. I'm gonna use these hearts. I'm gonna use a few good ones only. I'm stamping them looking at the whole balance. This is already so cute. I can finish the art here, but I apply the gel again. I'm pushing the particles again to the upper left. Now you can see the depth. It's really nice. I'm painting matte top coat. Cured it. I'm gonna clean it with ethanol. Let it dry. And I'm gonna rub it a little with a makeup sponge. This makes the surface really smooth and dry. Excess chrome powder will come off easily. I'm gonna use a non-wipe top coat. I'm drawing some thin lines in the cuticle area. And here too. I'm gonna rub chrome powder onto it. I bought this chrome powder from Bon Pretty. I love it so much. The powder doesn't spread in the air. I usually clean the chrome powder like this with washi tape. I'm gonna finish with a top coat. To be honest, I love the sea glass look with the matte coat. This finishes the art of the thumb. Next up, I'm painting the little finger and the index finger with the Bon Pretty gel. I'm gonna use a magnet stick before curing it. I'm trying to put the articles in the center. The index finger too. I'm applying matte top coat. After curing it, clean it with ethanol, and I'm gonna rub it with a makeup sponge. It really helps chrome powder come off. I'm gonna draw lines with the top coat again. This one probably in the cuticle area only. I'm gonna rub on the chrome powder. The chrome powder on the lines don't come off that much. I'm gonna finish with top coat. I'll show you the final look later. I'm gonna paint this Born Pretty gel nail on the ring finger. Water Light Cat Magnetic Gel, number 6. It's so pretty, perfect for Valentine nails. Second coat. Now I'm gonna hit the magnet wand. I'm gonna make a flat pattern on it, so I wanna make a straight line, kind of. I think this will do. Coffee brown gel. It's from a 100 yen store, CanDo. This color might have been discontinued though. I'm drawing a straight line. Flash cure. Now I'm drawing a line horizontally. It's pretty difficult to draw a horizontal line. It would be more difficult to do it on my real nail. This gel is from a 100 yen store, Seria. Actually, I tried flat patterns with stamping, but it didn't work today, so I switched to hand drawing. Flash cure. I'm painting no wipe top coat. The Temu plate. I'm gonna use just one heart out of them. I'm gonna choose just one, the best one. Of course, you can hand draw a heart rather than stamping. I'm finishing it with no-wipe top coat. I'm gonna use the Water Light Cap Magnetic Gel again for the middle finger. I'm gonna draw a heart, marking the center. This is the far end of the heart. Well, this is time-consuming. I'm gonna paint the rest of it, avoiding the heart, of course. This would be super difficult on a natural nail. I would use a smaller brush for a natural nail. I just want some particles. I'm gonna use the pink gel I used for the thumb. Just some particles on the surface. Okay, looks nice. I'm finishing it with the top coat. Ta-da! I put the set on silicone fingers. It's so lovely, I love it. Well, I'm trying to move the silicone fingers, but it's difficult. Okay, let's pick up two here. It's so pretty. I just love the Valentine vibe. I love the middle finger heart. And I love the thumb art. I hope you like this set. By the way, my hand looks like this at the moment, so I use the silicone fingers. Then here's a question. How did I take this picture? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.